In this video, I'm going to do a BlueHost tutorial, and also I'm going to review the BlueHost. And I think so this is one of the best web hosting. I'm going to go through the benefits of BlueHost. It has a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificate included, one-click WordPress install, it's 24/7 support, and they have a special offer. And also guys, if you go through the link in my description, you'll get a 70% off. And currently guys, I use BlueHost, okay? And if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I do a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and tips on how to build an online brand and how to make passive money. So please consider subscribing and click the bell icon next to the button so you can get notified when I upload the next video. So let's get started back again. So currently right now guys, BlueHost is really easy, okay? It's one of the best web hosting, and the thing which I really love is it's really fast. So let's say if you go on wordpress.org and if you just click on hosting, okay, so they also recommend that BlueHost is the #1. Before I was hesitating, like, is it good? But I tried it myself. I have my own website, yavarkhan.com. I just installed it like last month, and trust me guys, I'm having amazing results. As you could see, it's really fast, it's easy to install, and I'm just gonna go through it. How do you install? I'm just gonna go in incognito, just click BlueHost. It's really easy. I've made a tutorial on this, on how to install a WordPress website, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So it's really easy. You just have to press get started. Once it's loading, I would always select the recommended 5.95. The reason for that is you can have unlimited websites. So if you're a web designer, if you create website for other people, you can host unlimited website, and it's going to be really fast, and it's going to help your website rank in Google, because as you know, as per the Google algorithm, the more fast your website is, the more higher it ranks. Unlimited SSD storage, free SSL, okay, unlimited domains, and they give you one domain for free, okay? So for me, Yavar Khan was free for a year, and it's free for a year, and it's really easy guys. And on top of that, one more cool thing which I want to give you is you have your own domain, or just if you have, just click 1 2 3, just sign up with create a new domain. I will always suggest create a new domain. Just fill out everything, and what I would do is I would say BlueHost SEO tool if you want to do that, but I don't do this. I do this as well as this, because this gives you one Office 365 mailbox. So basically you can access your personal email. So for me, it would be contact@yavarkhan.com, anywhere, and just fill out the details, and that's it. And I always go for 12 months, okay guys? And it sounds a lot, $95 sounds a lot, but trust me, with that $95 you can make $1,000. It's really easy. You can create website for other people, you could create website for your family, for other businesses around, and it's really simple. I've done it. But this is one of the best web hosting. Once it's done, then you can come and my sites. I've created a lot of sites, test sites. It's really easy to follow guys. And if you have any questions, just contact the support. I always contact the support, and they are 24/7. Okay, if you have any issues, they would just help you out. And for me, my honest review is like, they are the best, because again, I have no issues with them. Everything is working smooth, my website. And also one more thing I've noticed, okay, so let's say log into my WordPress website, and they have a marketplace. If you want some SEO help, you can just not going to show much more details, but then once you go, they have cPanel. Just go to my website. 1 minute, I'll just go back to my sites. So yeah, so they have this plugin which I really like, the BlueHost plugin. So you can just directly navigate from here as well. Performance, manage my sites, domain. If you have this installed guys, it's staging. So let's say you're create a staging site. So let's say you're experimenting with your website, you could just create a staging site, experiment as much as you can over there, install a lot of plugins, and if you feel comfortable, and then you can post this thing on your actual website. So this, what it does is it doesn't make a mess for your website, because for me, I'm a designer, so I always try to tweak the CSS, make some changes, install some hundreds of plugins, and then in the end I would realize that my website is not working. So this is really good. This is a really good feature. I'm gonna try it soon. And for me, this is the honest review, like really good, little expensive, but then you're getting back your returns, because again it will help your website rank faster. And it's really good, guys. And if there's a link down below, there's a 70% off, so you're gonna get much more cheaper. So you can use that link. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And as promised, the free bonus. So I've created a free crash course on how to install a WordPress website from scratch. It's really easy, guys. Once you learn that, you can make a lot of money, make a lot of passive income. That's what I'm doing. I'm making websites for my family, for my friends, for the business nearby, and getting a lot of money. And it just like takes me 5 minutes. So the link down below, just sign up and you'll get a free crash course. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.